Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Erika Jayne looked somber when she surfaced Wednesday, in her first sighting since her estranged husband, disbarred attorney Tom Girardi, was convicted of stealing $15 million from clients. The once powerful lawyer, 85, was found guilty Tuesday on 4 charges of swindling the horribly injured or grieving people he represented out of their settlement fees. Girardi stood accused of running a massive Ponzi scheme, lying to clients and using their misappropriated millions to pay for his own lavish lifestyle of private jets, luxury cars, exclusive club memberships, and expensive jewelry for Jayne, plus $20 million to fund her acting career. Jayne, who is best known for starring on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, cut a forlorn figure when she was spotted in Los Angeles this week. She appeared to have gone without makeup, opting for a dress-down ensemble including a loose-fitted shirt, cut-off sweats and slippers. Her sighting came one day after Girardi's conviction, during which he sat stone-faced, showing little emotion as Judge Josephine Staten announced the verdicts, which carry sentences of up to 20 years prison on each count. Dressed in wrinkled khaki pants, an open neck checked blue and white shirt and the same shabby gray jacket with blue lining hanging out that he's worn for most of the 3-week trial, Girardi was virtually unrecognizable as the super lawyer whose $2,000 plus designer suits once put him on best-dressed lists and whose success-winning huge settlements in personal injury cases landed him on magazine covers. It took the jury of 7 men and 5 women only 4.5 hours of deliberation to reach their guilty verdicts, 2 hours Tuesday and 2.5 hours yesterday. Girardi must return to court for sentencing on December 6. Girardi, who built the prestigious LA law firm Girardi Keys after his fight against a California utility giant inspired the Oscar-winning movie Erin Brockovich, was charged with 4 counts of wire fraud, all of which he pleaded not guilty to. His high-rolling career came tumbling down in 2020 when he was accused of stealing millions in settlements he'd won for the victims of the 2018 Lion airplane crash in Indonesia. Claims from that crash, in which 189 people died, are the basis of separate criminal charges against Girardi that are still pending in Chicago. He has pleaded not guilty to those charges as well. During the trial, the jury heard that between 2010 and 2020 the shamed attorney used his client's settlement funds like a personal piggy bank. Girardi Keys was a den of thieves and Tom Girardi was the thief-in-chief, Assistant U.S. Attorney Scott Peedy told the court Monday. Girardi Keys was a house of cards built on the lies of Tom Girardi. Jayne and Girardi were together for 21 years, but their divorce filed by Jayne soon after the Lion Air allegations has been held up since Girardi Keys filed bankruptcy in 2021 with more than $100 million in debts. Jayne never showed up at her soon-to-be ex-husband's trial. Girardi, who was disbarred in 2022 following the allegations against him, was portrayed by his defense team as suffering from dementia. He got old, he got sick, he lost his mind, his attorney Charles Snyder told the court. All the lights were on, but there was nobody home. He lost touch with reality. Girardi and his legal team also pointed the finger of blame at another man, Christopher Kamen, 49, the chief financial officer of Girardi Keys, who they say stole between $50 million and $100 million from the company. Kamen is facing an upcoming separate trial, in which he's charged with similar counts to Girardi's. During the trial, prosecutors told jurors that Girardi preyed on clients who were in their darkest hours, suffering from terrible injuries or mourning the death of loved ones. Joe Ruigomez, who desperately needed money to pay the giant medical bills for the horrible injuries he suffered in a 2020 gas explosion at his home that killed his girlfriend, was told by Girardi that his settlement from the PG&E utility was $5 million, when it was actually $50 million. Another Girardi client, Judy Selberg, hired the once-acclaimed lawyer to bring an unlawful death lawsuit after her husband Paul was killed in a boating accident in April 2018. Girardi won $500,000 for her, but today, more than 4 years after the settlement, she's still owed a large